Hello, and welcome to ClassCalc Tutorials. My name is Dan, and today we'll talk a bit about what a teacher can do using the teacher panel during a test session. First off, let's say my students are taking a test, and I've used a custom calc to block their ability to use any trigonometric function. But halfway through the test, on section 2, I now want to block algebraic functions instead. I can do that by modifying my custom calc during a test. The way to do that is to press the Options button and press Modify Custom Calc, where I could either change the custom calc I'm currently using or pick a completely new custom calc. In this case, I'm going to pick a completely new custom calc called Algebra Locked. Now I can see on the student side, they are notified that their custom calc has been updated and now Algebra is locked on their calculator. During a test session, you can rest assured that your students only have access to ClassCalc on their devices and nothing else. From your test panel, you can also see what time they were last active. To the right of student 2, for example, you can see his last activity was 2 minutes ago at 2:33 p.m. Furthermore, during a test session, students will have a thick red band across the top of their screens as a visual indication that their device is in lockdown. Next, suppose student 2 uses the emergency exit to unlock his phone. You will be notified immediately with a timestamp indicating the time that he left the test, which in this case is 2:38 p.m. If and when I want to re-invite student 2 to the test session, I could either click student 2's name and resend an invite from there, or if I want to resend an invite to the entire classroom, I can click Options and resend invites from there. You can see on student 2's device that they've gotten another invitation to rejoin the test. Lastly, as a teacher, I can end the test session by simply clicking the End Test button in the bottom right corner. And that's it. All my students have been notified that the test session has ended. To learn more about ClassCalc, please feel free to visit our how-to playlist linked in the description below.